Kenya kiwase umuchuna Ivashe County Nakuru nigo mawaziri w'Obochano DUALE OEREIRE hekikende togusie ko Bw'Echinyagitari au Hasechi County au imense ya Kenya agotebanga eiga nkubwatekana no bututukano obori aroro hasensemo y'Obochano Hasechinyagitari echo ase chingaki echo boigo mawaziri DUALE nigatebire chi county chiri chigo koribu ya sensemo y'Obochano ngamoneri ya Mombasa Nairobi hamona Kisumu negatie chinde ase chira chigendere tigo koribu be negatie county ya Nyamira Samburu na boigo ensemeria ya Garissa.
I think Honorable Mangeni asked about the bed. What happens is that from our dashboard, and governors have dashboard, Governor Nasir is here. When the hospital bed occupancy is getting full, our digital system shows red. And we advise the hospital either to do two things. Either to discharge the patients who are okay, to create bed occupancy, or to transfer the new patients to the nearby hospital. The system will talk to that hospital. But because there's more money in inpatient, and a lot of the rejection was facilities who are turning outpatients, Kenyans, to inpatients, there are some hospitals. We have even closed in Nyamira and other parts of the country because of turning outpatients into inpatients. So there is a rule that we talk to. There's an SMS that, and when it is green, we also tell you uninterrupted service. I agree with you. We have counties where, or referral hospitals where, or private where, in one way or the other, there is uninterrupted facilities. We can give you the 10 best performing counties. And allow me to say it. Mombasa is number 1. Kisumu is doing very well. Bomet is doing very well. Elgeyo Marakwet, Kirinyaga, Nakuru, Embu. I can give you the bottom 10. Yeah. The bottom 10, Nyamira is one of them. Samburu, Garissa, where I come from, Mandera, Wajir, Marsabit, Turkana. Yeah.